Dogecoin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and where I think we could be headed here because we're going to be hitting some very, very important levels and we need to be talking about those. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that bell. I'm maxi. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So we're starting off here on the Dogecoin price chart and we are flirting with basically the last support level until about 14 cents right now. And I do think that based on what's going on in the overarching market, it is Sunday as recording of this video. We're seeing the Japanese market right now starting to drop. It says Japan's stock market drops nearly 4% ahead of President Trump's Liberation Day. There's more tariff talk coming on. And I will be honest with you guys, I do think we're in for a little bit of a spillover price action. Really, my line in the sand here on Dogecoin is this yellow bullish trend line here at about 12.5 cents. And I know that is a big drawdown from where we're at right now. We're testing about 16.5 cents. So drawing down, that is about 25% drawdown. I think that's possible. And I do think that as long as we hold up there, everything's okay. But if we start to break below that, start to see daily, weekly candle closures below that, then I will say that there's a good chance that this will be the high for a significant amount of time. Now, significant amount of time, does that mean do we see a new high in 2025? Maybe, or it's probably going to be more so setting up for a longer term price corrective period, probably looking at more so 2027-ish. I know that sounds crazy, but guys, the overarching macro conditions right now are pretty rough, and you also have Elon in the spotlight, in the crosshairs of the mainstream media. They're attacking him, and Dogecoin and Elon Musk, those are two peas in a pod. So it can be, I would not be surprised to see Dogecoin catch a little bit of collateral damage with that. But guys, I do expect big volatility here. Big volatility here, especially into the open tomorrow on Monday. If you guys want to take advantage of it, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as some fantastic rewards when you trade on there. The more trading volume you do, the more rewards you can get. You can get a Rolex watch, you get a MacBook Air. I think there's AirPods. There's all these different rewards you can get. So feel free to check that out because I know this volatility is going to be coming in hot here, guys. Looking at Dogecoin now, we're seeing number 8, down about 3% in the past 7 days, about 2.69 past 24 hours, sitting at about $24.73 billion market cap with $1 billion 24-hour volume, guys. We're selling off a little bit, but guys, look at this. Bitcoin is at 81,800. This is exactly as I predicted. I still think we're going to talk about this here. Ethereum almost below $1,800. That is mind-blowing. That is mind-blowing. Ethereum is just, man, what a mid-curve investment this cycle so far. But guys, I say that, but you need to see Ethereum rally to see altcoin season. That's just how it goes, and we haven't really seen that play out here. Solana holding up pretty well, honestly, but Bitcoin, this is exactly as I predicted, guys. I said, looking at the daily time frame, I said, look at this. If we come and test this 88K level and we don't close above it, expect a severe rejection down, maybe finding our way around $73,000 to $75,000. And really, that's going to be a very, very important price level, in my opinion. If we don't hold 73K, then I'm going to say, hey, guys, this probably isn't a local top, and this is probably a macro cycle top, and probably looking at for a longer sideways price time frame, okay? I know I don't want to be a huge bear, but I need to be transparent here on the Crypto Report, guys. I don't want to be a moon boy all the time. I do not want to lead you guys to the slaughter. I do not want that to happen. I want everyone that follows and subscribes to Crypto Report and follows maxi, myself, I want you guys to win. I don't want you to lose. So I tell you guys what I see and what I'm doing. And Bitcoin does look like it wants to spill over. But regardless, if it does spill over and we do come down and test the 73K level, it is going to be big opportunity, in my opinion. Big opportunity. I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin if we hit 73K. As of right now, I am dollar cost averaging in. I buy every single day, a little bit every single day, no matter the price. But right now, I'm increasing my DCA. And I do think that we could break below 73K. It just will take some time. Right now, we're still all right. We can reject off 88K and not hit 73K, but I do think that we should be paying attention to this level here because, after seeing months of selling off, you usually don't look at the weekly time frame. This is a better way for me to describe this. After many weeks of selling off, you do not just V-shape out immediately unless this sell-off was somewhat of a black swan event, and this is not. And you see this weekly open right here. It is pretty red, and it's almost like a bearish engulfing candle here. I think that we're probably going to find our way. If we start to close below like 81K on daily time frames, you probably start to see this come down. We do test 73K, so keep your eyes wide open for that. But guys, Bitcoin selling off like this is an opportunity. It's an opportunity. It's not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm telling you guys what I am doing. And I'm buying. I'm buying Bitcoin. When it comes to Dogecoin, we have to really see if these price levels hold out. If we break below 16 cents, 16 and a half cents, I think probably would be a good short opportunity. But guys, it's still a very, very whipsawy market. So please, if you're going to be shorting or going to be long and you want to counter trade me, go ahead. But if you're going to do it, low time frame, high leverage scalping, tight stop losses, and do not keep that trade open overnight because it's a very whipsawy market right now, guys. Guys, I know that it's tough. It's not fun when the market's selling off. It's not fun, but there's opportunity. When everyone can't look at the charts, there's opportunity. That's how I made my best trades in the cryptocurrency space, is when everyone thinks it's all over and it's down in the dumps. It's vacant. It's like a wasteland, a desert wasteland. And I'm buying. Those have been some of my best career trades. Not financial advice, like I said. We still need to see this price action play out here. But I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. That's all I got. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel, follow me, 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.